Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Noodles here. And if you're like me and you're partially illiterate and can't read a recipe to make lasagna, then you're in luck, because we here at the Lasagna Crew have a solution for you. Not for literacy, though. For that, you're pretty much screwed for the rest of your life. But other than that, here's a tutorial to teach you how to make some good old-fashioned homemade lasagna. Today, we're going to be making some lasagna. First, you want to start with some lasagna noodles, or lasagna sheets, however you like to call them. Anyway is fine. But if you use anything else that is a sin, you'll be going straight to hell. Then you want to add some ricotta cheese onto that. Then put another layer of noodles. Grab some sauce and put it over that. Again, if you use anything else besides the intended ingredient for this, in this case, tomato sauce, you will accumulate another sin. Put some more noodles. Then, vegetables. We'll put that in the bag because nobody really likes vegetables. Then we add the meat. Then top with noodles. There, all the ingredients. Can't forget a single one. All of them work together. Well, I guess you can sort of forget the vegetables because no one really likes them. Then we put it in the pan. Oh, crap, I forgot the pan. Don't look at that. Well, let's see. Yeah, this one works. Okay. Then put it in the pan. Then you grab an oven at 350 degrees and then put it like 2 minutes or something, I don't know. And then you're all set. A wonderful, beautiful... Wait, hold up. A wonderful, beautiful lasagna.